Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today I was about to make another recipe that required the basic cider mayo from the Poole's Diner Cookbook. And I know that I've already got a recipe on my channel making the basic cider mayo in the way that she tells you to do it with a food processor. But I've also told you guys that my favorite way to make mayo is with my immersion blender. And since we had to make it again today, and I don't think I've actually made it on video, we're gonna make this a separate video so it's easy for you guys to see how I like to make mayo. You can make any sort of mayonnaise you like in this way. It's my favorite. So I've already got the salt in my quart jar. The important part here is that my immersion blender goes directly into my quart jar. So, you know, I think this is a wide mouth one. I don't know if this fits into a non-wide mouth one. I don't think I've tried it, but it might. As long as it goes through, you're fine though. So just like in a food processor, we're going to put all of the ingredients except for the oil in here. So for this recipe, I need cider vinegar because it's basic cider mayo. I need some Dijon mustard, and hopefully I'll be able to get it out of here without too much problem. Yeah, this is gonna be a problem because I decided to go lazy and only use one measuring spoon, but try to get all of this stuff out of the measuring spoon is a problem. Anyway, got most of it out, that's fine. There we go. So that is our Dijon mustard. And again, just trying to get it out of the spoon. That's fine. And then we need an egg yolk. And so, like I always do, I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed that this opens up well and does not break the yolk. And there we go. A little bit of white is fine. There we go. And so we're gonna blend this up using my immersion blender before we add the oil. All right, that's just all mixed up. And just as she says in the recipe, in your regular food processor, I'm going to just slowly drizzle this in while this is running. I'm just gonna get the last little bit that's on top mixed in. And there we go. We have basic cider mayo already in the jar. We can just put it in the refrigerator and we're ready to use it. So if you don't have one of these, I do highly recommend these for blended soups, for making mayo, anything that you would like to blend without transferring it to a food processor or a blender. I love it, I really do. So there we go, basic cider mayo, all ready. I'm just gonna clean this off. And this goes directly, this part comes off, goes directly in the dishwasher. So, oops, now I have mayo on my counter. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this. We're about to use it for another recipe, and you should see that tomorrow.